Hey, we back with another restoration video. I got all my hats off my wall. You know what I'm saying? Some of them is super crispy. You know what I'm saying? A little dusty. They've been on the wall for a minute. Hey, sorry about that crazy cut right there, man. I stay around for a little bit and, you'll see why I cut like that. Basically at the end of the video. But, also, I want to kind of explain a little bit about what I was doing right here. Basically, it's just straight Dawn dish soap, man. I didn't buy nothing crazy. That's just Dawn dish soap you see me using there. That's an all-purpose brush that I got with like some shoe cleaner that I bought a while ago, just called Refresher or whatever. But yeah, watch what this brush does to this hat, man. I'm using this brush right here. It's just like an all-purpose brush. I got it with my shoes. If you scrub too hard, it kind of mess up the fabric. You see, like right there. You know what I'm saying? Compared to like the back, how it's all like fresh. But what I started to do, man, was I used my fingers, and it worked a lot better. So let me see. So like right here on this corner, looks pretty bad. So I would just take some soap, pour that right on there, hit it with some warm water, and then do it. Alright, so basically, I mean, it just took a little bit of work, but it was a lot better with my fingers. Didn't mess the hat up at all. So I do just want to also let y'all know what I was using for this. So besides the Dawn dish soap and then just the the all-purpose brush that I had, I would recommend they get a soft bristle brush too, or maybe a toothbrush, I guess, would work. I used a bowl, 1.75 quart bowl, like 4 plastic bags, some hairspray, some cardboard and scissors to cut the cardboard. You'll see all of that later in the video. But because I didn't go over what I was using, I figured I'd just let y'all know. Man, that's basically it, man. Oh, I also used the iron and the t-shirt for the belt as well, for the brim, whatever you call it. So you basically want to just like drop the Dawn like right on there, get some leverage, and go for it. I basically dropped my phone like now. So we got the hat cleaned up now. Dry it off, a bunch. The towel is as good as you can. Alright, and then after you dry it off, I like to put the, well, I want to button this first, but I basically put my hat on here on the bowl just so that it has a nice shape when I'm pushing it down, and then I use the iron to flatten the brim. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I got my iron heated up. So basically what you do is you gotta take the shirt. I got the bowl in there too. Oh, button at the back. You want to be even around both sides, like so. And then you just kind of, not too long, just a few seconds. And you want to make sure that your brim is wet too. And then you just want to hold this down for a little bit. And after I ironed the brim, I mean, it wasn't that bad, but Alright, so after you wash the hat and you iron the brim, you want to use this hairspray and spray all up in here. Alright, so let's get that done. Yeah. Okay. After you do that, you want to get your bags and throw those in there. So I got this first one folded kind of... Oh, no, wait, I'm tripping. I'm going to put the cardboard in there first. Now you want to put the cardboard like under the like threading right there. You know what I'm saying? So let me do that. Alright, and then after you put your thing in there, your cardboard, put your bags. This first one, fold it like a little rectangle, and I put it basically in the same spot as that one. And then I take this bag that I folded a little bit bigger, and I sit this one like in the back, kind of like that. And then I have this bag that kind of goes back in the front, but like kind of sort of like middle, I guess. And then this one will cover like everything. We got the bags in there. All right, now you're gonna put that hat on the bowl. Okay, so I got the hat and the bags. I mean the bowl and the bag and the hat. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure that it's even going all the way around, otherwise your shit will be lopsided. And then what you could also do, man, is you could like sit something on here too if you feel like it's not all the way. You know what I'm saying? This is bothering me, but whatever, it's not too bad. But you could sit something there if you need to. And then yeah, just gonna let the hat dry now, and then yeah, I'll be back. Done. It's just a little bit wet on the inside, but it's not too bad. Came out basically the way I thought. I did, you see, mess up the threads just a little bit when I was scrubbing it with the brush there. You know, I got the all-purpose brush, but it's not even that bad. I'm still gonna rock the hat. I did the same thing here on the brim a little bit, but that's all right, man. I'm not too worried about it. Also, I was cleaning this hat, but I couldn't get the bottom of it white, so I got to figure out how to do that. But that's why I had that crazy cut in the beginning of the video. Also, I wanted to let y'all know, if I was gonna iron this hat, I'm not, because I ain't got no creases, but if I was, I just put the shirt over it like so, and then I smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm kidding. But you put that over there, you put the bowl in the hat first, you know, so you got the shape and the bags and stuff, and then you go ahead and just iron over it. You'd be alright. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all for sticking with me, man. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, man, go ahead and like the video, subscribe. If you want to hit the bell button, that's cool. I mean, I'm going to be doing a couple more. But if not, man, that's not your thing. It's all good, bro. But I appreciate y'all. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.